Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to make something super colorful and super fun. Do you know what rainbow colors are? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. And we're going to make our very own rainbow to brighten up our day. For this craft, you'll need just a few things. A paper plate, some fluffy cotton balls, colorful strips of paper. We'll use our rainbow colors. A pair of scissors and some glue. Ask a grown-up for help with the scissors if you need to. First, we're going to cut our paper plate in half, like this. Then we'll have a perfect rainbow shape ready for our colors. Remember, always ask a grown-up to help with scissors. Now for the fun part, adding our rainbow colors. We'll start with red, then orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Take your glue stick and put a little glue on the paper plate. Then stick your colorful strips in order. Look how pretty that is already. Time for some fluffy clouds. Take your cotton balls and pull them apart a little bit. Then, put some glue on the bottom, straight edge of your paper plate. Stick your cotton balls on to make soft white clouds at each end of your rainbow. Ta-da! Look at our beautiful rainbow. Isn't it wonderful? You can hang this in your room, give it to a friend, or just admire your amazing artwork. What's your favorite rainbow color? Mine is blue. Share your favorite in the comments below. I hope you had so much fun making this rainbow craft with me today. If you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our next adventure. See you next time, crafters. Bye.